Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this very vibrant look, and it is inspired by Emily Ratajkowski's makeup look from the Golden Globes. Okay. And I saw a picture of her, well, her makeup, and I was like, oh my god, that is gorgeous. What a great idea. And so I came up with this look, which I think it turned out great actually. If you want to see how I made this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. So I am starting off by doing my brows, and today I am using this Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris, and this is in brunette. And just gonna run a spoolie through my brows. Next I'm grabbing the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I am just going to put this on my lids and below my brows. And taking the sponge from the Hallberg Cosmetics. Now I'm taking the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this bright orange and just put this like all over my lips. Just to start. Ooh, dang. That is so pigmented, oh my lord. Like, oh my god, look at that. Shit. That is so pigmented, it's crazy. Just to pack the color. But like you saw in the beginning, a little goes a long way, but this is just because I just want to get as much as possible. Let's just grab this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It doesn't say a number because I got it in a palette. And I'm gonna take this super fluffy side and just go super light. Next, I am gonna take this, it's just a black inliner from Féline. It hasn't been sharpened. And I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. And I am taking the Volume Million Lashes Féline mascara from L'Oréal Paris. I haven't decided on lashes yet, so like I don't think I'm gonna wear any, so let's just skip that for now, and I'm gonna go on to my face. That's so weird. But yeah, I'm gonna do my face. For foundation, I am using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this is 00 Light Natural. And the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and this is in 01 Pale. And so I'm going to mix these two because obviously there's a bit of difference. So I'm gonna mix these and put them on my face. And for concealer, I'm going back in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And next I will be setting this using the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. It matches my face. Now, I think I got it. I'll go back in with the Zulu palette and the orange shade, which we already used. And I will now put this below my eye and just tie it all together. I'm like literally loving this. Next I'm going back in with the black inliner from Féline. And I'm putting it in my waterline. And going back in with that mascara from L'Oréal. Next, I will be doing my bronzing and blushing and highlighter and everything. And I will be using the Infinity palette from Hallberg Cosmetics, as per usual. Starting off by blending the color Maffei and Cigar. Just gonna do this all around my face. Next step for me is blush, and I think, well, I'm gonna go with Andromeda as I usually do, because it's not as, like, I've already got a lot of color in my face, so this is not as flashy. if you could say that. And for highlight, I'm going in with Vergio, I don't know what it's called. I never have. So I'm just taking this brush. It's the 306 brush from Hallberg Cosmetics. I'm just gonna put this on the high point of the thing. And the next step is lips, and I haven't quite decided which one to do. I think this one, it is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and it's in the color Initiator. Oh my god! And this is it. So I'm just gonna do something with my hair, and I'll show you how they look ended up. So hey, so just wait right there and I'll be back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I loved doing this. Like, this is, it's freaking gorgeous. And I can only hope that you agree with this. If you don't, sucks for you. I like it. Anyways, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment saying what you want to see from me next time. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go around and admire myself the rest of the day. So see you next time. Bye.